Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? Our today's lesson is about letter J, uppercase and lowercase letter J. What are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to identify the uppercase and lowercase letters J. Uppercase and lowercase letter J. Learn the words that start with the sound J, J, J. Juice. And learn the formation of letters uppercase and lowercase J. Let's start. First of all, bring a lot of flashcards. Show them to the students. Also, uppercase and lowercase letter J's flashcard. So let's start. How to write it? Start from the first line, come straight down, turn the loop, make sleeping line. It will make uppercase means capital letter J. Start from second line, come straight down, turn the loop, put a dot on the top. It will make lowercase means small letter J. Capital J, small j. The sound of J is J, 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 J. Juice. Fresh and tasty juice. Juice is healthy for us. Okay, after that, you will show the flashcards to the students and ask different questions about joker, about jacket. Do you have any jacket? Tell me the color of your jacket. Okay, have you ever seen joker? Okay, which is your favorite juice? Oh, wow. Look over here. Jet is flying in the air. Oh my God. Like this. Air's joyfulness. Take a deep breath and smile wide like this. After that, story time. I hope so. You understood how you have to teach to the students happily and energetically in the class. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.